Hello and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we're going to be talking about XRP. But before we get started, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. All right, so XRP, we're going to start off here on the daily candlesticks, and we're going to talk about the bullish scenarios here for XRP and where I think XRP could go in the short term as well as in the big picture. Then we'll talk about a potential alternative just to be aware of, so you guys have two options, just so that you have awareness of the market in case a different scenario happens. So here is XRP, and as you guys can see, it looks almost identical to Bitcoin as Bitcoin broke out from our 50K bottom out to new all-time high. So when Bitcoin corrected over the summer, we dropped from being worth 73,000 all the way down to 50,000. And then we bottomed out down here and broke out. And this created a certain type of market structure and pattern in the market. And really, this looks a lot like XRP today. So you can see XRP today, the similarities are shocking. So with this breakout on XRP, it looks very similar to the breakout on Bitcoin when Bitcoin broke 72K and went up towards 100,000 per coin. So with XRP, the same area would be around $4.50. So I would not at all be surprised to see XRP break out up towards $4.50. We already broke the local resistance. So in the short term, in the near future, over the next couple months, it wouldn't surprise me at all to see XRP go to $4.50. So this looks really good here on the daily candlesticks. I love this setup here with XRP in the near future. The other thing with XRP is the big picture. So if you guys have not been looking at the big picture with XRP, also very, very bullish. So let's zoom out to the 15-day candlesticks, remove all the drawing tools, and take a look at what's happening here in the big picture. So we have a 7-year accumulation pattern here on XRP that we broke bullish out of just last year in 2024. So that's super bullish for XRP here in the big picture. In other words, this looks like the market is going to break out to a new all-time high because of this breakout in the bigger time frame. Now, this accumulation pattern is very similar to what happened on Bitcoin back in the day. So let's pull up Bitcoin over here and take a look at 2018 and really what happened to Bitcoin during this accumulation pattern. So you can see here's Bitcoin on the right and here is XRP on the left. You can see the exact same market structure here on Bitcoin as XRP over here on the left. We have this huge triangle pattern. We broke bullish out of that triangle and went to a new all-time high. And that's exactly what XRP is doing in the big picture as well. We broke bullish out of a triangle and we're headed towards that old all-time high level. I think we will break that level pretty easily here with XRP and start to head up towards a new all-time high. Like I said, $4.50, totally possible in the near future here for XRP. And in the big picture, a new all-time high is definitely set up in this chart. I think we're really going to see a big bull market here for XRP, and we're really going to make a lot of money on this coin. So I love this setup in the big picture. Looks really, really good. Now, with the total market cap, what we want to see with the total crypto market cap is a clear breakout up above our local resistance. So we do have local resistance on the total market cap right here at around 3.5 trillion. So for XRP to break out towards $4.50, we do want to see a breakout above this local resistance and this local resistance on the total market cap, because that will really confirm that the rest of the market is going for another wave up and that we will have another Elliott wave on the upside here for the total market cap. So that'd look like this: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then a 5 wave coming in this market. So yeah, the total market cap also looks pretty bullish, but just to warn you guys, if we don't get above this resistance, that would be quite bearish in the short term. We technically haven't broke out here through the resistance, so it's still possible to reject and for us to go down lower here in the short term. But overall, we're holding support right now, so I think we're going to hold this support and probably break through resistance and confirm that this is a local bottom for the total market cap. Now let's talk a little bit about an alternative count for XRP, just in case we don't just break out towards $4.50. This way you guys don't panic sell in case this happens, because technically there is one other alternative count that I can see here for XRP. It's called the expanded flat correction. A normal ABC correction, wave B, does not break out up above the resistance of wave 0. So it looks like this. This is what a normal ABC correction looks like. But there is a more rare ABC correction called an expanded flat. And that's where wave B actually breaks out up above wave 0. And you get this expanded structure and you go lower. So technically this could be an expanded flat for XRP. The reason I bring this up is for awareness, because if it does this, a lot of people are going to panic sell the bottom. So if we do get an expanded flat, a lot of people will panic sell down here because people were not expecting this type of a move. So if you're not expecting this kind of a move, it's easy to freak out and panic sell. But if you are aware of the alternative count, then you can buy the dip when it happens and really load up on XRP down here. This is the only other alternative that I see is an expanded flat correction, and it still would lead to more upside. It would lead to a big bullish breakout and more upside in the big picture, but it would just mean that in the short term, a lot of people get shaken out of the market. So that's the only other alternative count that I can see here for XRP in the short term. With the bullish breakout and with it looking so much like Bitcoin, I think we will see more upside and break out higher. But I figured I'd let you guys know about that alternative so you don't freak out and panic sell if it does happen. Because you don't want to be panic selling the bottom of a correction. You want to be buying the bottom of those corrections. So yeah, that's my update on XRP. Things look super bullish. I do have that one alternative count, which would still be bullish overall. But definitely, if this happens, don't panic sell. It looks crazy, and this does happen sometimes. That's what happened to Bitcoin back in 2021 here. This was a big expanded flat correction. So a lot of people bought the breakout right here expecting a big move, and then the market pulled all the way back. So you just have to be aware of that so you don't panic sell down here in wave C, because we bought Bitcoin down here. I posted on my YouTube channel about how Bitcoin was bullish down here, all because once I saw the expanded flat correction, I knew to buy instead of sell. But if you don't know what this is, a lot of people sell down here because they end up FOMO buying wave B and they get scared and sell wave C. So you just have to be aware of these expanded flats so you don't get stuck FOMO buying up here and then panic selling. If you do FOMO buy wave B, it doesn't matter as long as you don't panic sell wave C and as long as you buy the dip on wave C, right? Who cares if you buy up here if you still have money and cash ready to buy wave C? But you have to be aware of this so you don't panic sell your crypto at the bottom of these expanded flat corrections, because it still technically is possible, right? XRP could still reject and go back down to support if Bitcoin doesn't break resistance and if the total market cap doesn't break resistance. We still could pull back here. It's still possible. It looks more bullish than bearish right now with everybody, getting excited and the market's breaking out, but just have the awareness of both scenarios so you don't panic sell if it does happen. So that's my update on XRP. Things are looking really good. Super bullish on XRP, super excited about the big picture here. We're going to have a very bullish cycle in 2025 and make a lot of money on this coin. And this is really only the start for XRP. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. And as always, stay profitable out there.